Welcome everyone to today's video. Today we have the driving pleasure of driving this awesome 40-year-old vintage buggy of my father that he built in 1976. And as you have seen in the last video, we just rebuilt the rear drum brakes that were stuck, mostly not working anymore. The other months my father already rebuilt the front disc brakes. Off camera I also wanted to film this, but you know how it is with parents, they just do what they want, even if you schedule awesome YouTube video filming with it. And yeah, so today, real raw like sushi driving pleasure. No power steering, no power braking, naturally aspirated, double carburetor, maybe 80 horsepower Volkswagen Beetle engine. And yeah, this is really, I hope it's visible on the video slightly, this is just so awesome to drive. I really enjoy this raw vintage driving. So much more fun than modern cars that take all the fun away. And yeah, obviously the buggy is way lighter than a Beetle with this fiberglass body. Just loving this vintage flat 4, naturally aspirated with double Weber carburetors. And yeah, I wanted to film an awesome homage to this nice kit car scene back in the 60s, 70s and such. And the weather was so awesome in Germany, it was such sunshine, of course global warming, super sunshine in Germany. But then just this one day you have for your YouTube video, it's drizzling, overcast drizzling here. And actually this buggy has not seen any water in the last 20 or so years, only driven in sunshine. So this is of course ironic that just this YouTube video, just this technical inspection day, we drive it through some light drizzling. And yeah, so this is close to Hanover, North Germany, just for your countryside recognition experience. And of course, on top of drizzling, we got stuck in some stupid traffic here. And of course, with brand new rebuilt brakes and temporary license plates on the way to technical inspection, we certainly don't want to take any overtaking risks here. And just practice some YouTube video filming here. Yeah, running around with some GoPro on the head looks really funny, as you can see. And you really wonder how all the famous YouTuber manage to run around with cameras in front of their nose the whole day. It's really getting used to experience for sure. So much fun for sure. Really enjoying this so much. And I also wanted to mention that you don't need to spend hundreds of thousands on Lamborghini and Ferraris and such to have some weekend driving fun. And such vintage cars you can get for not that many bucks. And also do it yourself, you know, get something not as restore it yourself on weekends and such. Have fun with your friends and neighbors. And I have the feeling right now this kind of car scene is a little lost. Everyone only spends monies on brand new cars, not working on them. Well, of course some people work on them, but when I see friends and neighbors and other YouTubers, they mostly spend their money on new cars and not even change their oil or something like that. Yeah, that was a little bit low RPM. As you could see, shaking a little bit with this low RPM with this big tires and the transmission ratio. Also the clutch comes super late. Needs a little bit getting used to. Finally, less traffic, yay, let's try to drive a little more swift. Unfortunately, neither the iPhone nor the GoPro do the engine sound any justice. Of course, mostly hidden with all the wind noise anyway. I only say 100,000 smiles without spending 100,000 euros. This is so awesome. I can totally recommend it. One thing this video teaches me is that filming car videos is not that easy. You for sure need way more cameras, more GoPros, better audio, microphone, camera angles, and constantly stop and switch camera angles on the car and such, that it's much more work in the future. So I hope you enjoyed the little vintage car repair and drive out here with me. I will work on improving the car filming video quality in the future. I hope you learned something, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon for all the next videos to come.